What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome to this new video in which we'll take a look at GMT, or the previously known, even though it's a very long time ago, the green metaverse token, but most importantly it's the governance token of the Stepn decentralized application, obviously, as most of you know it as, which has been bullish today. We're up 23% and we're in the middle of a big bullish breakout right now. So I just wanted to cover that live, give you my opinion on what's going on, but also on what we can do. But it has been very bullish. I mean, the volume is up to 700 million as well, which, well, it's a lot of money, but compared to the market cap, it's great as well. It's 83% more than the market cap. And with that volume, usually you can do a lot of things. If we take a look at where the volume is coming from, the first issues from me come up a little bit. And that is that a lot of volume comes from a little bit of incredible or uncredible, I should say, it's not incredible, sources. A lot coming from BYBIT, which is totally reliable. It's a real exchange, it's a legit exchange, but usually when there's proportionally a lot of volume coming from Korea, usually there's some sort of a manipulation going on. Not always, like today it's also the beginning of the week. Maybe some institutions and market makers from Korea are just buying GMT. Could very well be, but I'm saying usually. There's a correlation between a proportionally high Korean volume amount and manipulation and the potential of crashes. So the risk for GMT, I would argue, is higher right now. It's not necessarily something wrong with that, but it's just something you should know. Now, usually what I would do is I would show you some stats regarding how Stepn is doing. I usually like to do that, which you can do with Dune dashboards, which is a great application, and here you can actually see information regarding how Stepn is doing. And as you can see, I only have the up-to-date amounts on deposited and withdrawn GST, which is pretty much the same. And apart from that, I mean, almost all the statistics have kind of been the same. And you cannot really, like, what I would like to see is the monthly active users, for example. Or I would like to see something like this, but this hasn't been updated since the end of November last year. So unfortunately, I cannot really show you that much. I think Stepn is still doing good, but this move really does look like some more of a market move and really does not have that much to do with Stepn. We could check out the Twitter real quick, but I don't expect to find too much there. No, I already checked that out either. As well. But right now the big thing is, if we take a look at GMT technically, is that the big resistance level we're struggling with is this level right here between 60 cents, which is a psychological resistance level, and kind of 63 cents, which is a technical level. And we were in the middle of that, but what we had also already done is we had already broken above 60 cents and taken a break retest. Now, we haven't broken above 63 cents yet. Even right now that we're at 64 cents, we haven't broken it. And in my opinion, to really get to our next price target, which for me would be this level between 70 and 75 cents. And I'm quickly going to delete this fib because I think it's a little bit deceptive. In order for us to get to 70 and 75 cents, which is a huge resistance level, it's very strong. 75 cents is also a very strong psychological level. In order for us to do that, we need to break above 63 cents. All right, that's the main thing. So if we are able to break above 63 cents with this move, which I'm just to be honest, I'm not sure if we can with the increased risk, but also with these markets, which are strong, but not that bullish today. I'm not sure, but if we can break above 63 cents, we'll be able to get up to this level right here between 70 and 75 cents, where we'll probably find resistance at the first real technical level, which is around 72.5 cents. So pretty much in the middle. But yeah, at this point of time, with the momentum that GMT has, I would argue this is the most likely scenario. But I just want you to know that if we are not able to break above 63 cents right now, there's not a big problem yet. But there comes a problem when we are not able to break above 63 cents now, and that we're also not able to hold 60 cents. Because if we're not able to hold 60 cents, then what's going to happen is we'll drop down to 55 cents, take a break retest, and start falling down towards probably somewhere between 50 cents and 52 cents, I would argue. And then from there, we'll probably consolidate a little bit, and we could still continue and to do something like this a little bit later. But obviously, if we drop down, that just increases the risk of in that time that we're dropping down, that something happens to the markets or something. And it's just, I would argue this is more bearish. But as I said, at this point of time, I think this is the most likely scenario. Whether we do it now or whether we need to drop down to 60 cents once more and then break above 63 cents, given the technicals right now surrounding GMT and given the fundamentals in the market, I would argue this is the most likely scenario. But I want you to be prepared for this as well. 60 cents is the key level right here. If we are not able to break above 63 cents, it's not that big of a problem. If 60 cents fails to hold as a support, then we have a short-term problem. All right, so that's my take. That's my analysis on GMT for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.